Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share 13 cozy home hacks that will make your space warm and inviting without adding any clutter. We're going to focus on simple things like layering textures, incorporating warm lighting, and embracing natural elements. Think soft blankets, flickering candles, and the beauty of natural wood. If you love these tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive right into those cozy home hacks. One of the easiest ways to add instant coziness to any room is by layering with textiles, and we're going to start with blankets. Drape a chunky knit throw over the back of your sofa, add a fuzzy fleece blanket to your reading chair, or layer a quilt at the foot of your bed. The key is to create a sense of visual warmth and inviting comfort. Now let's talk about throw pillows. Just like blankets, pillows are a simple but effective way to add both comfort and style to your space. Mix and match different sizes, shapes, textures, and patterns to create a look that's uniquely you. Remember, the goal is to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere without overwhelming the space. Lighting plays a huge role in creating a cozy atmosphere. Instead, opt for warm, inviting light sources like table lamps, floor lamps, and even wall sconces. Look for light bulbs with a warm color temperature, around 2700 to 3000 Kelvin, for a soft yellowish glow. Is there anything cozier than the flickering glow of candlelight? Scatter candles throughout your home, especially in living rooms and bedrooms, to create a warm and inviting ambiance. Choose scented candles for an extra cozy touch. Vanilla, cinnamon, and sandalwood are some of my favorites for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Bringing natural elements into your home is another wonderful way to create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wood, in particular, adds a sense of warmth and texture that can really transform a space. Think wooden furniture like a rustic coffee table or a reclaimed wood shelf. Speaking of natural elements, don't forget about the power of plants. Adding greenery to your home instantly brings in a sense of life and nature. Not only do plants add a touch of color and texture, but they also improve air quality and create a sense of peace and tranquility. Choose plants that thrive in your home's lighting conditions, and mix and match different sizes and varieties. Now let's talk about keeping things cozy without creating clutter. A cluttered space can actually make you feel more stressed and less relaxed. So it's important to regularly declutter and let go of things you don't use or love. Remember, a clutter-free home is a more peaceful home. When it comes to decorating, choose pieces that are both beautiful and functional. For example, woven baskets are great for storing blankets throws or even magazines. And floating shelves are a stylish way to display books, plants, and other decorative accents without taking up valuable floor space. Is there anything more inviting than a cozy reading nook? It's the perfect spot to curl up with a good book and escape from the world for a little while. To create your own reading nook, start with a comfortable chair. Place it near a window for natural light, or add a reading lamp for evening reading sessions. Once you have your perfect reading chair, it's time to create the ultimate cozy ambiance. Drape a soft throw blanket over the back of the chair and add a few plush pillows for extra comfort. A small side table is perfect for holding your books, a cup of tea, or a scented candle. Rugs are another fantastic way to add warmth, texture, and visual interest to your home. Layering rugs is one of my favorite design tricks. Start with a larger rug as your base, then layer a smaller rug or sheepskin on top to define a specific area. When choosing rugs for a cozy atmosphere, opt for plush, textured materials like wool sheepskin or even faux fur. These materials not only feel amazing underfoot, but also add a sense of warmth and luxury to any space. Place a rug in your living room, bedroom, or even your kitchen to create a more inviting and homey feel. Finally, don't forget to personalize your space with items that have meaning to you. Photos, heirlooms, travel souvenirs, or even your children's artwork all add character and make your home uniquely yours. Display them on shelves, mantels, or side tables to create a curated and collected look. I hope you found these cozy home hacks helpful and inspiring. Remember, creating a warm and inviting home doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's all about incorporating simple elements that make you feel happy and at peace. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, or if you have any other cozy home ideas to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.